Hello, welcome to Warr's, and this is a Harley-Davidson XLCR Cafe Racer. In 1977, Harley-Davidson decided they needed something quite different in their stable. So they turned to legendary designer Willie G. Davidson, and he created this, the all-black XLCR Cafe Racer. It uses a 1000cc Ironhead Sportster engine. Depending on who you believe, they built about 2,000 of these, and at the time, they just didn't sell. But now they're truly iconic. First designed in 1957 is the 1000cc Ironhead Sportster motor. The Cafe Racer version is slightly tuned, all black, and has its classic Siamese exhaust system which gave more brake horsepower. The frame is slightly different on the Cafe Racer. The front end is very stock Sportster. The back end terminates just below the seat, two little spurs to give some support to that rear passenger seat. Also had this cockpit fairing design, which was really unusual for Harley at the time. Really nice short drag bars and twin clocks with the nice rev counter. In here lives the primary chain, the clutch, and the 4-speed cassette style transmission. You could remove the transmission by taking the primary cover off and drawing the transmission out in one lump. So there it is, the Harley-Davidson XLCR Cafe Racer. For the time, we're very radical, nimble, fairly fast, brakes weren't too bad. In fact, this is one of my first Harleys. A truly iconic bike, and one that's really earned its place in Harley history.